One side hustle that pays $10 per hour. You don't need to have a professional experience nor university degree for making a decent amount of money today. If you are a native or near native English speaker, this can be a good work from home job for you. The teaching website, which I'm gonna show you now, is one of the easiest side hustles for beginners and people who just starting out their business online. The best thing about this platform is the flexible schedule. There is no minimum or maximum hours requirement. You decide when and how long to work. Now let me show you this platform. It is called Cambly. To start work here, just go over to this website and follow the registration process. You can easily create a profile simply by using Facebook, Google account or an email. After having signed in, you will have to complete the following steps. Choose high quality picture for your profile. It is the easiest and the best way to successfully market yourself, especially for the beginners. The more professional and eye-catching your picture looks, the higher your chances are to attract the first students. The next thing you have to do is to create a short introductory video. Make sure you set up your web camera properly and have a good lighting, because grainy and bad quality videos won't be accepted. The next thing you have to do is to tell a few words about your teaching style, languages you know, work experience, education, and you can also attach the teaching certificates if you have them. I highly recommend it to be as descriptive as possible here, because the way how your profile looks will have a direct impact on your first clients and their decisions to choose you as a tutor. It is also mandatory to give the answers to a few supplemental questions. This field you have to treat more seriously. Feel free to include the exact information what you want to teach on Cambly. Everything about your persona has to be honest and sound convincing, otherwise your profile can be rejected by the site team. The final step you have to complete is to verify your internet connection speed. Once you've done this, your profile will be held for review, which takes approximately from 1 day to a couple of weeks. After you're accepted, you can start tutoring. But be ready. Sometimes it can be difficult for you to get the first calls from students. So what you should do? In this case scenario, you will see the two options, which is called non-priority and priority hours. You should pick the last one. Priority hours option means that all the available students online will be directed to your profile. It's like a small bonus for the new tutors that can help you to build your reputation on this platform much faster. After choosing the priority hours option, you will see the chat screen, which you can use in order to discuss the work process with your students, such as time of the day and the topic of your video. Keep in mind, you also get paid simply by being available in chat. But you should always strive for perfection. Try to build the trust and reputation as soon as possible. This is the only thing that will allow you to succeed on this platform quickly. Another important moment you shouldn't neglect of. The priority hours option works on supply and demand principle. What does it mean? If you sign in too late or ignore the student calls, you may hurt your chances to access this option in the future. So try always to be responsive and diligent. By respecting your clients, students, you're more likely to get the positive references and score a rating faster, which is based on the amount of stars from 1 to 5. Your average rating will be calculated based on the last 200 reviews. So try to do your best. If you missed my previous video, I highly recommend you to watch it now. This can be also a good side hustle for tutors and teachers who want to give the lessons online. But before you go and watch, as always, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll be publishing more videos like this in the future. Stay tuned.